Did you know there's a question so dangerous it can unravel time itself? Aduni found out the hard way. In her village stood an ancient baobab tree that held every memory of their people. One day she asked the forbidden question, what if the past could be changed? The tree's trunk cracked open. A hollow appeared, glowing with yesterday's light. Aduni stepped through. Big mistake. The moment she entered yesterday, everything went wrong. People forgot conversations they just had. Finished work undid itself. The sun started setting in the east. She tried to fix things, but every change made it worse. Time was collapsing. The tree's roots spread chaos through every moment that ever was. Aduni ran through twisted versions of yesterday, each one more broken than the last. Then she realized the truth. She couldn't change anything. She could only witness. So she asked the opposite question, what if the past shapes us because it cannot be changed? The tree smiled and sent her home. Some doors should never be open. Some questions should never be asked.